Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of our S8 Ultra smartwatch, also known as the GS29 4G LTE smartwatch. And as you can see here, okay, it has the same design, except that it is a bit thick, and this orange action button is a slot or a space for your nano SIM card, as you can see here. Okay, so this time we will explore the menus and features loaded, okay, preloaded to the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the UI or menus of the smartwatch. Again, let's activate the screen. Okay, so from the top we have the same UI the same UI with your smartphone. As you can see here, we have the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, okay, do not disturb mode, very small, airplane mode, but you can still read it. We have the GPS, and we also have the brightness display. Okay, we have the time and the battery percentage. Clear all. So left side, there's nothing. The same way on the bottom part. Usually with the Watch Ultra Clone Bluetooth Watch Ultra Clone, we have the notifications on the bottom part, and on this side we have the split screen. Okay, on the right side we have the menus. As you can see here, we have a grid format, okay, similar to your smartphone. We have the heart rate, pedometer. Then let's go to the top. We have the phone, chat, contact, the QR code, messaging, gallery. We also have a browser here, a clock, stopwatch, music control, sound recorder, file explorer, heart rate, settings, calendar, calculators, themes. We have Google Assistant here, Google Play support, and this one, what's this? Google Go. Okay, it is somewhat similar to your smartphone when it comes to UI, except that it has this one, the heart rate and pedometer. Okay, we also have here a calculator. Okay, it's almost the same with your smartphone, okay, except that it has a small, of course, UI here and limited apps, but you can download additional apps here on the Google Play. All you have to do is connect your Wi-Fi. We have here a network Wi-Fi, connected to a Wi-Fi. After that, you can activate the Google Play on the smartwatch and download some apps. Let's check some of the settings here. We have network and the internet, connected device. This is our Bluetooth, app and notifications. We have Air Launcher here, Google Play Store. We also have display. So you can adjust here. We have brightness level, sleep, make it 30 seconds. We also have audio profile, storage. Let's see. How many storage do we have? We have 14.74 gigabyte. Okay, free space. We have Google system. Okay, you can adjust here the language, the time. As you can see here, it's the same with your smartphone, except that it has a much smaller UI here or screen, and of course limited applications due to the nature of the screen display here. Okay, it has limited support for apps, but anyway, we will check. We will download additional applications here on the Google Play and see if what are the apps available for the smartwatch. We also have a browser here, a gallery, So we don't have a camera here. All you can do is download, or you can download some camera or pass an image here via Bluetooth. So we have a Bluetooth connectivity here, as you can see. Okay. So what are additional features here? We have the phone. Okay, this is not a Bluetooth phone call, but an independent call. The same with this one, the messaging. Okay, you can receive independent messages, SMS, similar to your smartphone. Okay, as long as you have activated the Wi-Fi support here. You have the gallery, QR code browser, music control. This is a music player. Okay, you can upload the song here or download from the web and play it directly in the smartwatch. You also have a heart rate, calendar, Google Assistant. So that's it for the menus and features of our S8 Ultra smartwatch, also known as the GS29 smartwatch. We will explore more about this wearable, especially when we activated the Google Play and of course downloaded some apps and installed the Nano SIM card. Okay, so that's it for our S8 Ultra smartwatch menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.